Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, in today's lesson, you will see patterns. This pattern is made of different shapes. First shape is triangle. Second shape is square. Again triangle, square. Triangle, square. Can you tell what will be the next shape? The next pattern is made up of different colors. Pink square, green square. Pink, green. Pink, green. Can you tell what will be the next color? This pattern is made up of circles of different sizes. Big blue ball, small pink ball. Big blue ball, small pink ball. Big blue ball, small pink ball. Can you tell what two next balls color will be? The next pattern is made up of different shapes of different sizes. Big green square, small yellow triangle. Big green square, small yellow triangle. Big green square, small yellow triangle. Can you tell what two shapes next will be? The next pattern is made up of different shapes and sizes. The next objects are made up of different shapes and lines of patterns. On the first eggshell, the pattern are straight lines. On the second eggshell, the pattern is zigzag. On the third eggshell, the pattern is of circles. See you in the next lesson.